Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be taking a look at Amazon gift cards. So this is a digital gift card that I just got, and the first thing that you should be looking for, just to make sure it's not a scam, is up here the address where it came from. So it should be from amazon.ca or .com. So whichever it is, that means it's a legit one. If it's coming from any other website, most likely scam, never click on those links. However, if it's a legit one, then you're fine because it's from amazon.com. So look at the name of the address that it came from. So don't just look at the name of the person who sent you that, but look at the email address. That's the most important thing. Anyways, so this is how it looks like. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see these options. Apply to your Amazon account or just sign up for an Amazon account in order to redeem this. So yes, if you don't have an Amazon account right now, just sign up for one. And that way you guys can claim these $50 or whatever amount you got gifted. Now, if you already have an Amazon account, go ahead and open up amazon.com in another tab right here on your computer and have that ready. So right here, I opened up another tab where I'm already logged into amazon.com, and that's what you want. You want to log into your Amazon account. Once you do that, you can go back to your email, and then from here, just apply it to your Amazon account. So just click on this button, which I don't like clicking on links, but in this case, you kind of have to. And that's why I told you to just check from where it came from. So as long as it's good, just go ahead and apply to your Amazon account. Once you click there, it should take you to the website amazon.com. And then from here, we can always click again on apply to Amazon account, which is the bottom button down here below. Just apply it and you're going to get those $50 or whatever amount you just got. And here we go. Once you apply it, there you go. You have that being added to your balance. So that means whatever you guys buy next, it's gonna look into that balance in your account and it's gonna take that away. So if you buy just that exact amount, then it's just gonna take that and whatever you order is gonna be pretty much free. Or if you order something, let's say that's worth $200 and you only have those $50, then you only will have to pay $150. But yes, you will see that automatically going towards whatever you order from Amazon. I would like to highlight, if you scroll down a little bit more, you will see that you can send out a message saying thank you back. Just press send and then it's going to say this. Your message has been sent and you're done. But basically for this video, we're all done. Those $50, in my case, they're already applied. I can go ahead and buy anything on Amazon and that way I can just use up that money that I have right now in my account. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.